friends, hey there, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here on Saturday afternoon on Mother's Day weekend. And I'm doing some crafting in my art studio, and I just wanted to bring you along. I was in mid-swing and I thought, oh, let me go live and share this with my friends because I think you'll like it too. I just made these cute little patriotic balls. Look for a video soon. I am going to show you how to do those. We did them last year, I think, but with a ribbon. This year I used some bandana and some denim, and they're really cute. So I'm going to show you those a little bit later. They're still kind of drying. But if you saw earlier in the week, I've been doing some reorganizing in my kitchen and a few little updates, just little inexpensive things, right? Home decor does not have to be expensive. That's what I love, budget friendly DIYs. So I'm here to share one with you today. This is a cute little, just a tray. You'll see I already kind of tested some paint on it. It says relax. Super cute like it is, but those aren't the colors in my kitchen. And I saw this and it was $5 at the Dollar General. Super cute. Super easy. I'm not going to be serving anything on it. I'm just going to set, I have a plant I'm going to put on it, and I think I'm going to put my Echo Dot on it. I think. I don't know yet, but I'm going to use it on my kitchen counter. I know there's a plant that's going to go on it. But I'll have, my kitchen has grays and darker colors in it, so I wanted to update it. So I'm going to brush it with some paint. This is just an easy, quick thing. Like I said, I'm not going to be serving food on it. I'm just going to brush some gray paint on it. It may take a couple of coats. So what are you all doing on this Saturday afternoon? If you're watching live, put it in the comments. Say hi, tell me where you're watching from. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lois East, and I own a creative company online called Ellie Grace's Attic, which is where you're at. And we do all things crafty. We mainly do wooden signs, but I also like to share with you guys things that make my life easier. Sometimes you'll see me doing an easy recipe. Sometimes it's a crazy life hack. But a lot of times it's usually something crafty like this. I love, again, like I said, budget-friendly decor. I'm that girl that sees stuff in the store and I'm like, I could probably make that. So all I'm doing to this is a Dollar General $5 little tray, which is super cute. I'm brushing it with some, this is Deco Art, slate gray. Got it at Hobby Lobby. I got the big bottle because I use lots of paints, but you can get that in a smaller, this size for like a little over $1 at Hobby Lobby. So all I'm doing is just using a large mop brush to paint that gray on. Super easy. Don't be afraid to grab stuff like this and redo it. That's why I like getting these items at the dollar store, because it's just usually a few. I got a stray piece of the bristle on there because it's inexpensive. Or garage sale. I got to go garage selling today for the first time in forever. My hubs had to bring his motorcycle into the shop, and we were in a different little town, and I got on Facebook and found some garage sales, and then from there it was just following the signs, and we probably hit, I don't know, about 6 or 7 garage sales. I got some frames that I'm going to be redoing. They were like 10 cents each. I got a Lazy Susan for my pantry because, you know, organizing. I think I got a couple of t-shirts. I kind of sort of racked up, and I only spent at the end of the day $7. But garage sales, thrift shops, the dollar store, because the dollar store even has stuff on clearance. It's taken a couple of layers to get that blue covered. Even the dollar store has clearance sometimes, so check it out. Grab things like this, play with it, see what you can redo or upcycle it into. It's so much fun. And you know, at the end of the day, if you mess it up, you can redo it or trash it, right? Because you've only lost $1 or $2. But I have a feeling if you know, if you try it, you're gonna like it. All right, we're just kind of going back over to make sure all of our blue is covered. I'm gonna have to dry it a little bit before I. This is such an easy little updo. It's nothing major. I didn't tape off the sides. Not that stressed about it. Like I said, stuff is going to be setting on the inset part of it. So if it's not perfect, that's okay. Now I'm going to take my hair dryer, dry it just a little bit. Just dry that just a tad bit so I can put a good second coat on it. Just to make sure the majority of the blue is not peeping through. It's okay if, like I said, if it's not perfect, but we're trying to get it as good. So it's acrylic paint, so the hair dryer it dries fast, and the help of the hair dryer that makes that even faster. So and like I said, I'm not serving food on this, so this doesn't have to be food safe. This is just for decor. So, but it's a quick, you see how fast we're going. It's a quick and easy project. And I wanted to get this done for Mother's Day because we have company coming over. So I thought it would just be a pretty little accent for the family that's coming over. Now, if it could also be a cute gift. Did I get it all? I think so. All right, so you see we have all of our blue and white covered. It's just a nice, pretty shade of slate gray. And I'm gonna put this brush in water. If you're watching this on the replay, say hi in the comments. Let me know where you're watching from, what you guys are up to. Feel free to sprinkle. Facebook doesn't really like the word share when you use it, so feel free to sprinkle this video. Maybe this inspires somebody else to do something crafty. I'm going to hit this with the blow dryer one more time. Just like this, but I also like whimsical things, so we're going to take some white paint just for make it a little fun. I've got just a plastic palette. You can get these for $1 at the Dollar General. I think you can get some smaller ones, like a pack of some smaller ones at the Dollar Tree for $1.25 now. They really need to change the name right to $1.25 Tree. But still, they're inexpensive, that's the point. I have this little guy, it's called a pouncer. All it is a sponge circle on a stick. I got these in like a pack of 4 or 5 for a few bucks at Hobby Lobby. So I forgot my white paint. I got my pouncer. I'm just gonna dip it lightly into the white paint and we're gonna stamp some polka dots. Pretty simple. And we're just gonna go for it. Boom. Just press it down. Polka dot. And now you have to decide what pattern you want to do. I'm just going to kind of do it in rows. And you just stamp polka dots to your little heart's content. It's actually, this pouncer guy is actually very therapeutic. I mean, I'm just saying. I'm not going for perfect, again, I'm going for fun. It's okay if they're not perfectly, like some of them, you know, they're not, it looks stamped. So if part of the circle's, you know, distressed looking, that's okay. I'm kind of doing a row of 3 and then a row of 2, semi-symmetrical. That's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Ta-da! We're gonna hit it with the blow dryer real quick one more time. Okay, it's mostly dry. I'm gonna let it dry on its own and finish it out with some Mod Podge over that. But that's it. How cute is that? That went from the navy blue and white, which was cute, but it just didn't fit my kitchen. And I just brushed some slate gray paint, acrylic paint, 2 coats over the top. And then I hit it with some polka dots, some white polka dots. Now, I am going to wait till it completely dries, and then I'm going to paint a layer of Mod Podge over it just to seal it. I'm not going to serve food on it. Like I said, it's going to have a cute little plant, I think a succulent, and my Echo Dot on it. So I really just want to seal it in case something gets moved, it doesn't scratch the paint off or it doesn't get on my stuff. So we're going to hit it with some Mod Podge, just give it a nice seal on the top. And I will come back and post a picture of the finished product, what it looks like in my kitchen. So quick and easy, last minute craft to dress up my kitchen, or this would be a really cute gift. You could paint it whatever your mom or mother-in-law's favorite color is, and put the gift on top and give it to her like that. That would be a cute idea, last minute gift. So anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Happy crafting.